Hey everyone, let's take a look at the latest Infinity pictures posted by ProtoNerd on the TRA forums. Now, last time I showed anything about this, the board was completely bare, and but now they're all dressed up and ready for the big show. It looks like Anders SA is experimenting with burning the bootloaders right now. So let's see what we can learn from these pictures. First thing that's most striking to me, and I'm a big fan of, is it looks like you put the USB port on the side of the board, which is great because if you have a slide-out chassis, it'll be right there for you. And also, if you have, the kind of saber where you can screw off the bottom, or if you have a big pommel and you can put the board at the bottom as where it traditionally is, it's right there and easy to access. You don't have to wire the external recharge port to still use its functionality. And Audris has confirmed that the board will also have the USB battery recharge circuit on board as well. So you can forget your recharge port if you don't want to, and you can just plug it in right to the side of the board. That's a great idea. I think that's going to be good. But I think he retained also the mounting points for the external USB, so you could also mount that. Looks like the form factor is pretty close. If you're looking at this picture here where he's holding it in his hands, it looks like the form factor and the size is just eyeballing it more or less the same as the Stardust version 2, which was a pretty tiny board. And that's saying something considering how much he was able to pack in there. Another thing I'm noticing here is it looks like he put see this big silver chip, the NRF52, and that's the brains of the whole thing. That's what's driving it. It's got the built-in Bluetooth, of course, and an ARM Cortex M4, plenty of power. Wow, I'm really excited about this. And he's also confirmed that he's working with Professor to develop an operating system for this thing that will be open source and available to anyone. And of course, being programmable, you can program it however you'd like. You can just completely not use that at all if you want to and start from scratch. I probably will because that's just how I roll. So yeah, this is looking pretty sweet. So so this board is essentially this board is basically combines all the things that I love about the Diawino with all of the things that I love about the Profi board into one complete package. And guys, if you don't know, I cannot stress this enough. Protonerd, aka Andres, he puts out very high quality stuff. I mean, he's not a hobbyist who's just doing this for fun. He is a pro EE, and it shows in his work. And I can't say enough good things about his stuff. I'm really, really looking forward to getting one of these and seeing what I can do with it. A lot of the hype is surrounding this board is what it can do for a lightsaber, but remember, this thing's programmable. You could put it in a blaster, you could put it in, heck, you could put it in a drone if you wanted to. It's got a lot of power, it's got motion sensing built in, it's got a built-in audio amp. There's really a lot of applications besides just sabers that this could be good for. So I'm hoping he shares this with the Arduino community as well, because I think they'll get a kick out of it and could do things we haven't even thought of in the saber community. So yeah, this is looking pretty good. Just wanted to share, and we'll keep track of this. Keep following this, guys. This is going to be pretty big. I think this could be as big or bigger than the Profi board was. So let's see how this goes. All right, so that's it for now. I'm Jakesoft, and as always, thanks for watching.